the concrete. I just can't do it. So now I'm going to take this perfume roll on and I'm gonna put the perfume on like the necessary spots, I guess.
Showing of their most recent installation called The Fleeting Piers. And it just gives you a little insight into also how impactful these installations could become, especially to a teeny tiny little village like the one you'll see here in the Mediterranean. Would involve, right? So these are in full color, but you can still see that there's use of atmospheric perspective, so larger umbrellas in the foreground.
Different zones. So like they have a map of the United States and they have different zones for like high wind regions. They have different zones for seismic. Depending on those zones that you're in, there will be additional requirements for you.
I think we've got a few things that will help improve. Obviously, your story, your